Hello students, I am Vivekanandan. In this video, we are going to learn 6th Biology, Chapter 1, the leaf. In this chapter, we are going to learn activity to show transpiration in plant. That is practical. Next, transpiration. Okay, transpiration is loss of water in the plant. Okay, the leaf have some thousands of tiny pores on the upper and lower surface are called the stomata. Okay, so many numbers of stomata present in the leaf. Okay, the plant release excess water in their body through stomata. In the stomata, in the forms of vapor, this process is called transpiration. Okay, the plant release excess water in their body through stomata in the form of vapor. Okay, this process is called transpiration. Okay, you see the image how the plant lost water vapor from the leaf through the stomata. Okay, in this experiment we going to see that transpiration in plant. Okay, what do you need? Okay, for the experiment we need the potted plant, polythene bag and thread. Okay, the procedure for this experiment: first select a well watered plant. Okay, and then enclose a leaf with a plastic bag. Okay, plastic bag அந்த ஒரு branch cover பண்ணி ஓகே அந்த thread யூஸ் பண்ணி டை பண்ணிடணும். Okay, initially there is no water drops in the polythene bag. Okay, startingல அந்த polythene bagல எந்த water drops இருக்காது. Okay, அப்புறம் டைம் போக போக okay okay after some times, due to transpiration, water droplets are formed on the inner surface of the polythene bag. Okay, you see. Okay, பார்த்தீங்களா இந்த பாலித்தீன் பேக் கவர் பண்ணியிருக்கோம். இன்சைடாக என்ன இருக்குது, நிறைய வாட்டர் ட்ராப் இருக்குது. ஓகே, திஸ் பிகாஸ் த டிரான்ஸ்பிரேஷன். ஓகே, டிரான்ஸ்பிரேஷன் ப்ராசஸ்னால என்ன பண்ணுது, அந்த வாட்டர் ட்ராப்லெட்ஸ் இருக்குது. aim to prove the transpiration occur in plant. Okay, in the experiment oda aim enna to prove the transpiration occurs in plant. Okay, what you need for this experiment, that is the potted plant, polythene bag and then thread. Okay, in this procedure, first take a well watered potted plant, enclose a leafy branch of the plant in a polythene bag and then tie up its mouth by using a thread. Okay, fourth one, keep entire setup in the sunlight. Okay, that is important. Sunlight தான் வைக்கணும். ஓகே, அந்த பிளான்ட்டோட பிரான்ச்சை நம்ம பாலித்தீன் பேக்கில் கவர் பண்ணிடுறோம். கவர் பண்ணி டைப் பண்ணி சன்லைட் வர இடத்துல தான் நம்ம வைக்கணும். Okay, after the few hours, okay, what do you see? Okay, observation. After few hours, there are some water drops left on the inner surface of the polythene bag. Okay, what do you learn? Due to transpiration, water vapor are released from plants through leaf. This vapor condense and are seen as droplets. Okay, this experiment proved that transpiration occur in plants. நான் டீச் பண்ணது உங்களுக்கு புரிஞ்சிருக்கும்னு நினைக்கிறேன். Thank you.